Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger PIN end-to-end encryption. Now, if you've forgotten your Messenger PIN and can't access your end-to-end encrypted chats, especially on computer, you can easily reset it using your mobile device. So first, open the Messenger app on your phone. Tap the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select Settings at the top. Then in here, scroll down and tap Privacy and Safety. Then choose End to End Encrypted Chats. So scroll down to Security and tap on End to End Encrypted Chats. From there, go to Message Storage at the top. So tap on Message Storage, then tap on Reset PIN. Then enter a new PIN of your choice. Make sure to confirm it by entering the same PIN again. Now, after resetting, your new PIN will be required the next time you try to access your encrypted chats on another device, such as a desktop or a laptop. So you can use that new PIN and that should solve the problem. So again, you just need to open your Messenger, click on Menu at the bottom right, then go to Settings, then from here, go to Privacy and Safety, then from here, scroll down and go to End Encrypted Chats, then go to Message Storage, then go to Reset PIN, then create your new PIN and confirm it and submit it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.